guys, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please click subscribe and like, it helps the channel so much. Today we're going to do an unboxing, assembly, and a review of this Harbor Freight 2-ton shop or engine hoist. It comes in these two packages, and we're going to start taking them apart right now and separating all the parts and then put it all together. Let's pop these bands. So this has 4 casters. It's got 4 nice pins. And obviously here's the hardware pack. Take a look at this. This is pretty nice. This really has everything together, all organized. Pretty thoughtful. And then of course the heavy base. Ugh. And it's pretty heavy. And it's got the 4 bolts in on each side already for 2 of the casters. Here's the instructions, and then we'll take a look at this. Open this up really quick. This is the very heavy box. For obvious reasons, it has the 8-ton ram in it, and all of the bars and the main components. It's got the handle to move it around, which is pretty nice. And we'll take all this apart and lay it out. So we've got our parts all laid out. Now we're going to start putting things together. First thing we'll start to do is put these casters on the main frame. There's 4 bolts here. Let's get this started. And these nuts take a 14mm wrench to tighten them up. So unfortunately these bolts need to be put here, and then the washer and nut need to be put on from the inside, which is a bit of a challenge, but you can do it. So there's the washer. So put the bolt through, grab the washer with your forceps or a needle nose plier, get that on, and then the nut, have it at a slight angle, which has helped guide it in, get it started. Hopefully, this takes a little patience. It can be a little frustrating. There it goes. All right, great. Now we'll just tighten these down and flip it over and do the other 4. Now that the base is done, we're going to install the 2 legs with these 4 pins and 4 cotter pins. Put this here so the letters are on the outside. Line it up. Pin it in place. And we're on our way to having a really nice lift. Great, we've got the base and the legs installed, and now we're ready for the support stand and the ram. So So those two bolts took some large size metric wrenches, 22 millimeters for the nut and 24 millimeters for the bolt, so we have to have those. Okay, just a couple little tricks here. Remember, these bars go on the inside. It's very important, not the outside, they don't fit. And if you put the handle on, be sure you put the handle inside these support bars. But once this is all together, it's very strong. And now it's time to put the lift arm and the hydraulic ram on. Okay, when you put the lift arm on, be sure you really tighten this bolt, but not so much that you interfere with this movement. This movement needs to be nice and free like this. Okay, we've really got it going on now. Pump is working. We have one more bolt to secure our extension arm. And the further out you have it, the lower the lift capacity. So way out here it's a half ton, up here it's a ton. Up here it's 1.5 tons, which is where I'm going to keep it. That's a good medium. I mean, 3,000 pounds, a lot of weight. And here you've got our nice grab hook, chain, and then I'll go through how this is stored. These pins are removed, the leg lifted, and then the pin replaced in front of it to prevent it from dropping down or collapsing. So that's not going to go anywhere. And we can lower our ram all the way down here, which makes this into quite a compact unit, and it has a pretty nice little storage ring for the handle. So thank you for watching again, Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please click subscribe and like, it helps the channel a lot. This was an unboxing, assembly, and review of the Pittsburgh Automotive, the Harbor Freight 2-ton collapsing workshop hoist. It's nice, well put together. The fit was great. Every part fit in perfectly. The quality of the paint is really good. It came in good condition, pretty much perfect condition actually. The components are very strong, very heavy duty, and I'm very pleased with it. I think we're going to get a lot of use out of it. So again, thank you for watching, and as always, please stay safe. Thank you.